Tumsifu Yesu Kristu, milele na milele, amina. Pilgrims of Hope, together in prayer. I'm Pamela Ogwe from St. Anne Choir. St. Anne Choir is a choir from the outstation of St. Justin de Jacobis of St. Vincent de Paul, Kamulu Parish. It is a choir that began small. We began in the year 2009 with around 12 members, and it has grown tremendously. Just like the mustard seed, the choir has grown from a population of 12 members. Up to this time, we are around 60 members. I love this choir so much because this choir gives us a lot of hope. And being the year of Pilgrims of Hope, the year of hope, we believe that we lead a hopeful life. Through that journey of hope, we'll be able to grow even to better choir. We just started singing as a small group. We didn't even know how to sing by then. We just started because we had to start somewhere. We didn't even have a teacher. But by God's grace, we were able to move. The few members who had joined choir just decided to sing. We were singing with discords. We didn't even know what to do. We didn't know what to sing. We were just singing like Jumuiya. But God was gracious because within no time, we were able to get our first teacher, who was Teacher James. He took us through some songs, the common songs of the Tumshangilie Bwana, and we were able to start blending the voices, and we sang very well. After some time, we also got to get some teachers. We also had Teacher Cosmas, who also took us through so many things, and we moved to the next level. We even started participating in the music festivals, Archdiocese of Nairobi music festivals, and we've participated every year, so many years. We have gone for the music festivals for a long time, and we have even come with trophies back at home. We have brought certificates back in our church, and we pride of ourselves of this achievement because we've come from a very far place. And with time, we also got to have our teacher Arnold, whom is serving us right now and is doing very well. He's a young man who is very vibrant and dedicated. Right now, we sing like angels in heaven, and we really pride ourselves of this because we know that serving God is the best thing that we can do. And in singing, we get a lot of peace. In singing, we also get a lot of hope. And there's nothing that we love doing best than singing. We just sing, and with that singing, We also get compliments from Christians telling us that they get that inner peace when we sing well. So it is our hope that God will enable us to even grow to higher heights and be able to sing even better than we are doing today, all for the glory of God. We don't do it for human purposes, we do it for the glory of God.
My name is Arnold Nadecho. I am the music trainer of St. Anne Choir. So for me, basically, music runs in the family. So I think it's like it's destiny. So when I finished my high school back in 2018, I decided to join choir because that's where I find my joy in. So when I was there was a trainer already, his name was Cosmas. And after he left for other greener pastures, I graduated to being the music trainer. And the journey has been good. I love my members. They are always very respectful. At first it was hard to fit in because I was young, and then training older people who are their age is almost like my parents' age. So it's hard to direct them. It was hard at first, but they were very accommodative and they are a really good group.
My name is Kamulu. I'm a member of St. Anne Choir, a choir within St. Justin de Jacobis, which is an extension of St. Vincent de Paul. I'm currently holding the position of the moderator, and within the executive, I've got 5 executive members who are actually actively assisting me in running the office and guiding the choir on our policies and many other things that we do as a team. I joined the choir in the year 2014. That was the time I was actually new into the choir. I've moved along very well with this team to such a level that I was given the responsibility by the choir members to be their leader. The leadership of the choir I started in 2021. It's when I was elected as the moderator of the choir, and we walked the journey well with the choir. My choir is quite a formidable force, very cooperative members who are ready to give and assist me in my day-to-day policy framework and mobilization. I've got a team as well of the executive, as I mentioned earlier on. This team works very closely to formulate all the policies and what we need to do and achieve as a choir.
Ewe Kristo mfalme, mchungaji mwema, mfalme wa amani na ayala aione yavyo kiu mito ya maji, ndivyo nami ninavyokuonea kiu, Mungu wangu.
Which choir is this?
St. Anne Magic Choir.
And which group is this?
Arnold. The most of obedient, the most humble, the most punctual.
I would like to introduce you to